Okay, we're going to go through another problemo from the test. You have the question, what number makes this number sentence true? So here is our number sentence, 5 times the quantity, 2 times 3. And I say the quantity because there's parentheses around it, equals question mark in the quantity times 2 times 3. All right, we have an answer choice of A being 2. So what could you do here? Well, what I would do is inspect what you have going on in your expression. So here I have a factor of 5. I'm looking at my factors on this right-hand side over here, on the left-hand side over here. And I have a factor of 5, a factor of 2, and a factor of 3. Now if I inspect what's going on the right-hand side, I have a factor of 2, a factor of 3, and a question mark. So in order for these to be equivalent, I notice I have 2 of the same factors on either side. Meaning that the final factor, which is unknown over here, is going to have to be the same as the factor that's on the left-hand side, which narrows it down to only one number, which is what? I already have a 2. I already have a 3. So the only thing left that it must be is 5. Okay, so I should not choose answer choice A. I should go with C of 5. Okay, so let's just prove that that actually works. So 5 times the quantity of 2 times 3, we're saying is the same as 5, instead of question mark, times 2 times 3. All right, so if we go on the inside of this parenthesis and do the multiplication first, because it's in the parentheses, 2 times 3, doubles fact, that's 6. And then we'd have to multiply it by 5, the other factor over here. And 5 times 6, skip counting by 5s, or maybe you just know this one, is 30. Okay, let's see what we get on the right-hand side of the equation. So I start inside the parentheses, 5 times 2, skip count by 5s if you need to, or you just know that one because it's doubles fact. So I'm at 10 times that other factor of 3, and 10 times 3 is, oh my gosh, 30. So they are equal. 30 is the same as 30. They are the same. We've proved it. Okay. Okay, we're going to look at another problemo of which is a way to find 8 times 8. Remember, this is 8 times 8, and I think you know this one off the top of your head. The product. But of course, it makes it into equivalent addition expressions. So is this the same thing as 8 plus 8? Is 8 plus 8 the same thing as 8 times 8? Well, this up here means 8 of the 8s. So 8 plus 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 8. And in answer choice A, we only have 2 8s added together, and we need many more than that. So it is not A. Let's look at answer choice B, which is the one you chose. It says it's 16 plus 8. So is 16 plus 8 equivalent to 8 plus 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 8? Well, is there something in there that's equivalent to 16? Well, if you double the 8s, 2 8s together makes that 16. So we got that. And then we add on one more 8. So does that mean they're the same? No, because I've only used 3 of the 8s, and we need more than that. So answer choice B would not be it. Okay, so let's look at the 2 other answer choices. I have answer choice C. That's 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. What do you think of that? Is that the same thing as 8 times 8? Which means 8 plus 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 8? Well, no, because this is only 4 8s added together. No, we don't want 4 of the 8s. We want 8 of the 8s, which means it must be answer choice D. But let me show you what answer choice D looks like. And we need to prove that it actually is that. So answer choice D looks like 16 plus 16 plus 16 plus 16. That's what answer choice D is, and supposedly that's the answer. What? But this is supposed to be 8 of the 8s, and here we have 4 16s. Those are the same. Well, remember that 2 8s is worth 16. And another 2 8s, guess what, is 16. And another 2 8s is 16. And another 2 8s gives us 16. So yes, 8 of the 8s is the same thing as 4 16s.